see the same trend, right? So there's no synchronicity to her pelvis. It's just one lopsided right low back pain, right? So again, how I would help her is through muscle work and adjusting, right? That's what a chiropractic session should feel like, okay? So what she's gonna feel is almost the same kind of thing as Dr. Anthony, right? So I wanna release her QL, right? And I kind of guide it to the left, and then I'm gonna make her piriformis move better, and then I'm gonna add the adjustment. That's gonna correct her for today.